So, we decided to check-in dito sa 65th Hotel sa tabi ng Splash Park. Bale, pag nag-check-in ka sa kanila, bibigyan ka nila ng ticket for Splash Park, pati na rin ng meal doon sa JT Manukan. So, in-avail namin yun. Ang kinuha namin room is yung 3,500 and then nag-add na lang kami ng isang bed or extra mattress for 1,200 dahil apat kami. And we have 3 complimentary Splash Park and we have 3 chicken inasal meal din. And dadalhin ko to sa entrance ng Splash Park para makakuha ng wristband. May dito sa kuha ng ticket. Yung ticket na binigay pala sa amin ano na namin, i-convert to a wristband dito sa ticketing office. Yan. So, ito yung ticketing office. So, the ticket is ito, wristband. So, it's 300. Naka-promo na siya, so wala ng PWD discount or senior discount. 4,700 yung total amount ng hotel. And meron kaming tatlong splash entrance, which is 300 pesos each. And also, merong tatlong stop din para sa JT Manukan.
Namin wala pa. Hindi pa kami nag-agahan. So, kakain muna kami dito sa JT. Mamaya na magsuswimming. Ang init. Oh my gosh. Pero better na mainit kaysa umuulan. Ang lamig naman maligo. Okay. Kahapon umuulan. Buti na lang. Ngayon is mainit. At least. So, ito na ang ating breakfast lunch. Johnny, bakit mo naman nilagay dyan? Ayan. Order lang kayo if you want more, ha? Kasi, breakfast lunch na natin to.
So, ito yung look ng 4,700. Ah, so that is the extra. Okay. So, me and Kayla. And then, if you look outside, it's like that. Wait lang. So, this is the view of our room. This place is called 65th. Yes, yes, John. Yes.
Why?
What is that, my boy? Wow, it's so nice. I would like to like this, maybe. Okay, so this is the CR. It has shampoo and bath. Oh, the toilet is separated. Okay. Hair dryer. Okay, hair dryer. Wow. The mirror is huge. Okay. And there is a like this. Okay, welcome. Okay. Ah, ito yung sinasabi niya, bawal magluto. You can't even cook here anyway. Let's see. Okay. Trash. Trash. Aray ko. Okay. Is this free? Maybe, hopefully. Okay. May mga spoons. We will look at the ref. Let's see. Okay. Just nothing there. Okay, very good. At least there's nothing in there. Rico. Okay, 65th. Welcome. No. How sweet. So, sa outside ng aming balcony, it looks like this. And it looks like wala kaming kapitbahay right now dahil walang ilaw. sa kabilang unit. And the other unit is also quiet. There's no light. So, I would say it's just us. Tomorrow, probably, I will take a picture. It looks nice here. Kaso lang ngayon, bakit ganyan? I don't know. So, ayun, yung Bacolod City Hall. Ayun yung Splash Park. Alright. Unpack this. So, ito siya lahat.